Today, we're diving into 5 deer-resistant bulbs to plant this fall for a spectacular spring garden. If you're new to planting bulbs and want to keep deer at bay, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Before diving into the different bulbs, do want to point out that when we say deer resistant, we don't mean deer proof. Don't be surprised if you grow something labeled deer resistant and you find that deer nibble on them anyway. If deer are hungry enough, they'll eat just about anything. With that said, the spring bulbs I'm going to talk about are pretty reliably deer resistant. All right, so first up, I want to talk about daffodils. Daffodils are a super popular choice for spring gardens. These bright and cheerful flowers are impossible to resist for spring color, and the deer tend to avoid them due to their toxic properties. When you're thinking about planting out daffodils, you want to plant them in a sunny or partially shaded spot for that beautiful early spring display. And daffodils are not only deer resistant, but they're also a spring bulb that's really easy to grow and really reliable year after year. And next on our list are alliums. With their unique globe-like blooms, alliums add a striking touch to your garden. Plus, their strong odor tends to keep deer away, and this makes them an excellent choice for your deer-resistant garden. Alliums will offer a dramatic visual interest and are perfect for adding height and texture to your spring garden display. And next on our list are grape hyacinths. Known for their dense clusters and delightful fragrance, hyacinths are less likely to attract deer, and they add a burst of color and scent to your garden. They do spread by seed, so you'll need to keep that in mind when you think about where you'd like to have them planted. Standard hyacinths are beautiful too, but in our yard, they are definitely not deer resistant. However, they may be worth trying in your yard in small numbers to see how the deer react to them. And next up on our list are snowdrops. These early bloomers are one of the first signs of spring. Snowdrops are typically avoided by deer, making them a great choice for adding a subtle, delicate touch to your garden. Snowdrops are excellent for naturalizing, and they will spread over time, providing an early and elegant spring display. You can also dig up and divide snowdrops right after flowering to help bulk up your display for future seasons. And so last on our list of deer-resistant bulbs for your spring garden is blue squill. Also known as Scilla siberica, these charming blue flowers are not favored by deer. Blue squill provides a splash of blue in early spring. You can use them to create a lovely carpet of color, and they are great for naturalizing under trees or in garden beds. Planting these deer-resistant bulbs this fall will ensure you have a colorful and protected garden come spring. Be sure to follow the planting guides for each of the bulbs, and you'll be able to enjoy a beautiful and deer-free display. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas from the Frog Pond Veg Patch. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.